10 things that can happen to your body if you eat chia seeds every day. It was the Aztecs and Mayans who outlined the importance of chia seeds first. However, the modern world has only recently recognized these seeds as a superfood. These tiny seeds are very rich in nutrients, and thanks to their natural flavor, they can be potentially added to any recipe. We at BRAINARK try to stick to a healthy diet, which is why we decided to shed some light on these magical seeds and find out what benefits they bring to our bodies. Number 1. They promote better bone health. Chia seeds are rich in various minerals that are known for their role in bone health, and calcium in particular. 25 grams of chia contains 157 mg of calcium, which is more than the amount of calcium 100 mg of milk. It's crazy, right? Number 2. They keep your teeth healthy. It's the calcium that plays the main role and helps bones stay strong that sustain good dental health. Moreover, being fundamental nutrient, the boron contained in chia promotes metabolizing magnesium, phosphorus, and manganese for the growth of strong teeth. Number 3. They reduce the risk of diabetes. Unsaturated fats, fiber, and protein are all known to be good regulators of blood sugar levels. The United States Department of Agriculture considers chia seeds one of the most useful foods you can use to treat diabetes. Number 4. They help prevent constipation. Chia seeds are rich in fiber, which contributes to improving digestion. Moreover, thanks to the insoluble fiber that chia seeds contain, they become a gel when they come into contact with water. This substance improves the bowel movement, thus preventing constipation. Number 5. They boost metabolism. Being high in vitamin B, chia seeds help in speeding up metabolism. Moreover, being rich in omega-6, they help the body absorb various fat-soluble vitamins that contribute to weight loss. Number 6. They help improve sleep. Serotonin and melatonin are two hormones that are responsible for good sleep. They are produced by tryptophan and amino acids, and since chia seeds contain tryptophan, they promote better sleep and relaxation. Number 7. They sustain heart health. The omega-3s and omega-6 that chia seeds contain lower blood cholesterol, decrease inflammation, and reduce blood pressure. All of these things contribute to and help sustain heart health. Number 8. They boost your energy. B vitamins, iron, zinc, and magnesium are the things in chia seeds that help boost your energy. Just add these seeds to your favorite smoothie to enjoy a day full of energy. Number 9. They slow down aging. Being high in antioxidants, chia seeds help repair the skin faster as well as inhibit any damage. Other than that, the vitamin E that they contain contributes to the slowing down of aging. And the last one is they stimulate weight loss. It's the same fiber in chia seeds that gives people the feeling of satiety for a long time. This helps in decreasing the appetite and with weight loss. In addition, these seeds expand when they absorb water, which contributes to a decrease in the appetite. Just add 1 or 2 tablespoons of raw chia seeds to a glass of water, stir well, and drink them quickly. Chia seeds are also capable of burning belly fat. Are you going to start eating chia seeds after watching this video? What are some other superfoods you aware of that bring as many health benefits as chia? Let us know in the comment section below. And also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos like this. And thank you for watching.